Hi guys, I'm in Kopangan, the beautiful island in Thailand in subtropical climate.
After intensive travels in Vietnam and Japan, I rented a house that I can now call home. It's much needed, and here my new adventure will begin.
This island is filled with fresh fruit and vegetable, and here I'm gonna undertake 8-week raw food vegan detox. It means I'm gonna eat only fresh fruit and vegetables, and there is not gonna be any excuse not to do it. But I know it won't be easy because there is the inner voice, there is the concern, there is the worries, there are temptations. So let's go and find out if I am able to stay to this diet for 8 weeks. This is not just a change of a diet, it's an adventure. I'm committed to 12-week raw food challenge. I know the temptation is there, but there is no excuse. I got everything I need, lots of vegetables, blender and my willpower. But will I really succeed?
Late at night, the cravings creep in. I wonder, will this raw diet actually give me more energy or will it drain me? Am I setting up myself for failure?
The essence of this smell is overpowering me. After days of successful raw food diet, eating smoothies and salads every day, I slipped up. I ordered tom yum, and not only just tom yum, but I also ordered a beer. Well.
My body felt heavy again, my energy dropped and my skin looked worse. The road is not easy and change never comes without a fight, but I pushed through.
My energy levels going up, I become more active. Now I like, oh, why not to run, why not to exercise? The skin got glowing and I'm losing body fat, not like I've been fat before, but you know, I can see that body fat is melting. So that advantage is very encouraging to continue the raw food challenge. What is the name of this fruit? Loco.
Yeah.
I like it so much.
The road is not easy and change never comes without a fight, but I pushed through. In the end, my energy is higher than ever, my skin cleared up, I lost some weight and I feel lighter, both physically and mentally. There is no way out, but there is always a way forward. So here I am, 8 weeks later, feeling stronger, healthier and more in control. The cravings may always be there, but they are no match for determination. Would you take on this challenge too? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoy watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.